So tell us a little bit about flame safety and combustion controls. What's that all about?
Well, as we know, as far as flame safeguard controls, they're developed and designed to make sure that combustion operates safely and in a proportion sequence that's required to make sure that we meet certain codes and specifications or standards. And by meeting those codes and standards, then we provide the proper assortment of controls to make sure they operate safely, both industrial and commercial, and that involves hot water boilers, steam heating boilers, process boilers, and ovens, kilns, dryers, furnaces, and anything that heats air as well.
Yeah, absolutely. And you guys have been doing this forever. I mean, it's really you and another company that are the two big players in the United States. Is that accurate?
Honeywell's been active in this business since the 50s.
The 50s, okay.
I think it started off in about 1952, if I'm not mistaken.
Right.
And it's evolved over the past several years. And the business, like I said, it has evolved into a systems business now.
Right.
It, many years ago was a box business where a guy had a box that went bad, he brought it to the distributor, and the guy gave him a new box. Well, now we're into the age of microprocessors and electronics, and the customers aren't looking for a box anymore. They're looking for a more integrated solution.
Yeah, absolutely.
To their burner management.
Well, I haven't been in this industry more years than I care to mention. I mean, we went for so many years. The standard really was like the Honeywell RM7800 or
Right.
the R4140, which was
Right.
the programmable controls. And those were electromechanical
Right.
type controllers, and those were around forever. I mean, Honeywell, the RM80 was really the standard. And when you say going from that to a solutions based, I mean, talk about the RM7800 series,
Okay.
for example, and what that provides a customer.
In fact, we still do manufacture the RA90s.
I know, yeah, yeah.
In the late 80s, around 1989 to 1991, Honeywell introduced what is now referred to as the RM7800 series of controls. These are burner safety controls that meet all the latest codes and standards, but are microprocessor based. And because they're microprocessor based, you can accomplish a lot more than you could just a safe operation. They offer things such as self-diagnostics. You can put displays on them to better manage your system and better troubleshoot the system. For an end user or a contractor, downtime is greatly reduced.
Oh,
which
yeah.
reduces cost. And we can add communications capability to it and network these burner relays back to a simple touchscreen or a DCS system or a building automation system.
For those of you guys out there who've troubleshot some of the old controls, the age of actually having to have a voltmeter to see what your flame signal, or a microamp meter to see what your flame signal is over, because that keypad Dave's talking about will give you that signal right, off of the keypad.
That's right.
It's great because it actually logs the number of hours of runtime, and it's actually. But one of the things that's really bad about this product was the RA890s. We'd sell some of those, as a distributor, every 2 to 3 years, those things would go bad. We actually have some RM7800s because it logs the runtime that actually have over 1 million hours cycle time. I mean, those things just don't break. You're trying to put guys like me out of business, huh?
Well, no, we're just trying to give you more opportunities in the market.
Yeah.
And offer this automation to it, which is where the business is trending.
Well, it really is trending, and of course the great thing about the RM7800 series is English language. You can read everything there. It keeps up with the fault code, so you can spot trends with any problems that are happening with your burner or boiler.
Yeah, and they're also available in other languages as well for those who might need them.
Hi, I'm Eric Stromquist.
And I'm David Stromquist.
Stromquist & Company is an industry-leading distributor of commercial and industrial HVAC controls.
Our father founded the company in 1952. His success is built purely on customer satisfaction.
He believed in hiring extraordinary people and empowering them to take outstanding care of his customers.
Now my brother and I are committed to providing our customers with great products and great service.
With over $2 million of inventory between our Georgia and Florida locations, an easy-to-use online ordering platform, same-day shipping, and a factory-trained team of controls experts to answer your questions, Stromquist & Company continues in its tradition of offering great service and great products. If you need to control it or measure it, Stromquist & Company has a control solution for you.